Welcome to Silverleaf Oaks in the heart of Winter Garden, one of my favorite areas, Horizon West. Guys, we are only 24 minutes from Disney World and 24 minutes from the historical downtown Winter Garden Center. Plus, you got the new commercial Winter Garden Center. There's so much to choose from. This multi-generational home has over 3,600 plus square feet. Let's take a look. And don't forget, at the end, I've got an incredible party pool to show you. I love the character in this entryway. Look at these mirrors. Look at these beams. I like how they put some extra paneling. It's super easy, guys, to put this paneling right over your drywall. Again, when you're creating luxury, you're layering texture, Now, follow me as I go into the first master suite. That's right. Over 3,600 square feet means you get multiple master suites. That is multi-generational living at its finest. So this is a first floor. So for that family member that doesn't feel like, hey, you know what, I want to not climb the stairs, because there's a whole upstairs, there's a whole nother life to this home. This has enough room, like you see, for the seating. It has enough room for a nice big master bed. You've got enough room for nice big end tables and your dresser, nice big fixtures. And then I really am digging this bathroom. You have the nice dark granite, beautiful, beautiful glass door entryway. And with this builder, guys, there's so much you can design. $50,000 in flex cash that can go towards your designs, paying down your closing costs, paying down that interest rate, so you can have plenty of money left over for those Disney Pass tickets, those annual passes I know you're hankering for. Follow me into this living space. Now, this is what I call practical luxury. It's very, very efficient in terms of the space, really useful. Like, I really love, if you guys are working from home, look at what we've got here. We have got this open desk area. This is a place where you can work from home. You know, for all you moms out there that are doing all your home-based businesses, all you savvy dads, you can be here, and your kids and your family can be in this huge living room. So big, we've got the double couches. Someone might be wanting to watch TV. Someone might just want to be over here relaxing and chit-chatting with whoever's doing the cooking. I know some of you guys don't like cooking, but for those of you who do, come here. Look at this. This is the pantry of the pantries. We were looking at $1 million homes the other day, and the pantry was like this. I don't know about y'all, but I need a pantry. I need to be able to hunker down sometimes here and not have to go shopping 1 million times a week. And check out this kitchen. Nice, beautiful hood, very relaxing. The dark granite with the white cabinets. Your big light fixtures. You know how I love those light fixtures that really define the space. And guys, if you didn't think you were getting your dining room, look at this huge dining room overlooking the party pool. We're going to save that for later. But first, let's go upstairs to the next part of this huge house. Guys, there are so many directions we can go up here. We have a bedroom. We have a laundry room / even doggy room. We have another second bedroom, a third bedroom or workout space, and a huge living room over here, and another big primary upstairs. So I chose starting first at this really nice, cozy living room space. Sometimes you have a loft space that's really open, can get a bit messy, but what they've done here is they've kind of created, you know, a general opening, a grand opening, but not everything too open. So this is where you can kind of hang out. This is a nice, intimate space for all the family members in the home. Again, we have this multi-generational home, has the one primary downstairs, and come and check out this next primary. I think this primary, you're going to absolutely love it. It's still pretty separate from the other bedrooms, but look, you need a GPS to find your bed. Beautiful views of the lake. This community has incredible amenities. So you can see community pools, you have pickleball courts, you've got cabanas, and you've got incredible walking trails. And for those of you who like biking, the West Orange Trail is not far. One of my favorite places to bike. Some of you may not know, here in Florida, in Central Florida, we have an incredible trail system. You can actually bike from coast to coast, from Tampa all the way to New Smyrna Beach. Do you think your water closet deserves big artwork like this? Yes. And don't forget, I stage to sell for top dollar. So I use all of these hacks and cracks to help you sell your home for top dollar, just like the builders who design the models. But back to this incredible space. Again, we've got that gorgeous dark granite counter, big, nice mirrors. And this is perfect division of space where you've got the waterfall shower. And I'm loving this tub. You know, some of these tubs to me that are kind of standalone, not a lot of space, but this one here definitely is the tub that keeps on giving. Get those reps in, guys. Get those reps. So many rooms in this house. You've got 2 living rooms. You've got your workout space. Lots and lots of stuff that you can do in this home. I don't always feature the laundry space, but I love this room for the dog because I've got a couple of dogs. And of course, it's really great when you have the laundry room on the 2nd floor when you have a house this big. Now, as we go out, we can go to door number 1 or door number 2. Let's pick, well, I don't know. We have so many rooms in this house. We've got yet another amazing bathroom up here, done in that dark granite. And I love this room here because this is a corner room of the house. Lots of light, big walk-in closets, and there's one just like it on the other side of the house. But I would just hang out here in this closet. All of my clothes can fit in here. I would definitely turn these into a California closet. Lots of cabinetry, all my shoes, all my clothes. You know, my man can find another closet. There's a ton of space in this home. That one is mine. I am loving the party pool. This is what I told you guys. If you don't feel like going to the resort pool, then look at this one. You got your little jetted jacuzzi. You got your landing pool right here with the fountain. You got 2 different areas of seating. You got 3 beautiful fountains that are flowing over here. So whether you want to have the pool, we have another video where you just have a fire pit and maybe a jacuzzi. This is the way to live the Florida lifestyle. So this multi-generational home, again, over 3,600 square feet. So if you're ready to live that Florida lifestyle in this new community, just comment multi-gen guide below. We are constantly updating that guide, and we would like to sit down and customize a plan for you, do a home strategy session. We'll zoom into your living room. We've got tons of financing options, guys. We are on your side. I don't represent the builder. I represent you, and I don't cost you any more money because I'm an expert negotiator. We're going to make sure that house gets built right. So again, comment multi-gen guide below. You'll immediately get the guide, plus our welcome bundle and bonuses. And I can't wait to see you on the next video.